Hello everyone, welcome to Dentospedia, one of the best platform for global dental board exam. And today I am going to give you a short lecture from endodontic module, that is the magnification in endodontics. This chapter is clinically as well as theoretically very important. So let us begin with the chapter. The chapter is magnification in endodontics. Coming to the introduction, why magnification is needed in endodontics. So let us see why this magnification is needed in our endodontics, because this endodontic treatment is done inside a closed dark space. We can see here all the pulp chambers, how it is enclosed in a dark chamber, so where the operator cannot directly see these canals. These canals are very minute and sometimes the operator may miss the canal. So here traditionally the dentist relied on any tactile sensation and plus the radiographs, but which limits the accuracy. So here the magnification now comes into the picture. This magnification improves the precision, visibility and the treatment success. So that's why now the magnification is really needed in endodontics. So what are dental loupes? Now let us see what are dental loupes. These dental loupes are binoculars magnifying devices. So these are nothing but a binoculars magnifying devices and they are worn like glasses. So here in the picture we can see a dentist wearing a dental loupe to enhance the visual clarity. They help us to improve the visibility, also the posture and precision during the endodontic task. So these dental loupes, they are worn by the endodontist or any dentist to enhance their visual clarity. Coming to types of the dental loupes, which are based on lens design. First is the simple single lens loupe. Now these simple single lens loupe, they provide basic and their low cost magnification. That means they provide magnification but at low cost, and they have poor clarity quality. They require the operator to work very close. So it is not even comfortable for the operator because it requires the operator to work very close, that it causes posture issues. So this is the simple single lens loupe. Later, Galilean loupes came. It is more commonly used nowadays. It is more commonly recommended for dentistry. It is very important because now in almost in every area these loupes are used, that is the Galilean loupes. They provide 2 times to 4.5 times of magnification. This is very important to learn from exam point of view. Their magnification times, that is 2 times to 4.5 magnification. And though these loupes have the good magnification, they are also lightweight and also comfortable, so it is more posture friendly for the dentist. It is also lightweight and it is also, the magnification is also at a high power than the simple lens, so they are more commonly used, these Galilean loupes. Then coming to capillary loupes, which is also known as prismatic loupes. Now these loupes uses the prism, so they uses the prism to give high clarity and magnification. So here the clarification is up to 6 times. So here the clarification increases from 4.5x to 6 times, which is much more than Galilean loupes. But here the limitation, it is heavier and it is sometimes mounted on a headband. So it is very heavy and it is sometimes mounted on the headband. Then that means it is not comfortable for the dentist. It is not posture friendly, but still it provides more of the clarity, so they are used. So here the most commonly among these 3 loupes, the most commonly used loupes are these Galilean loupes. Otherwise, if a person or endodontist need more clarification or magnification, they might be using this prismatic loupes. So this was my short lecture from my endodontic module. I hope you like and enjoyed the video. To study the full chapter along with diagrams, flowchart and MCQs, please download the Dentospedia app today. Thank you.